On time, take but support to press away on you. Hey, hey, RMG. I'm sorry. When I'm at this age, man, I want to be like RMG. Are you mad? See swag, man. See steez. Testing mic 1 2. Oh, pok, 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 pok. Oh, okay. I'm just checking, Sha. I'm just checking because the other time my mic just like disappointed me, and it was unfortunate because I couldn't. There was not much reaction in the reaction video. So, nonetheless, we are here. If you're new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, aka Pama Papi. We are out here, okay, reacting to Davido's Jowo off the A Better Time album, okay. Spoiler alert, this is definitely one of my top 50 songs of the year, okay. Absolute banger. Davido took us back to his punk sound, his punk element. Almost can easily fit in the 2017. Very nostalgic when the song came on for me. It was a good moment. Very catchy hook. Very, very, very strong melody on this one. I really love it. Of course, Davido is always out here with his very, intentional delivery. He's always out here screaming. Not screaming, but like intentionality. That's what we like to see. Davido always shows up on that front, and I like the song because of that. But nonetheless, we're about to check out the video, okay? Now the video, obviously I've seen trailers of it, and this is one that you guys have been demanding for me to react to. This particular song, when it came out, I couldn't record, so I just kept it, say New Year. As soon as we enter 2021, we'll check out this video, and I'm glad I'm finally getting to record my reaction for this. I'm excited because, again, storyline is gist today, man. So I'm looking forward to it. I know I'm gonna love this video because I already love the song, and I know they're making a story out of the song. So then again, he has a lot of reasons to bang for me, okay. I'm not gonna say too much without any further ado, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into Davido's Jowo. All right, let's go. Oh, Shay, there was gone, sir, for my baby Jojo. My baby Jojo. Damn it, Twitch. On time, take but support to press away on you. Hey, RMG. I'm sorry. When I'm at this age, man, I want to be like RMG. Are you mad? See swag, man. See steez. How does man still got it? I know ladies still like. Ladies are still tripping for this guy at this point. Even people that were. This is a very, very like. This is a bad like daddy-daughter dynamic I've been seeing on Twitter, man. Y'all should chill with this RMD like obsession, you know. Y'all should chill. Hey. Say I don't do. I love this, like, what vibe am I getting from there? I love these vintage cars that are here, the black suits. I don't know why he has this 2011 Ray-Bans on, but I like the hat though. But yeah, nonetheless, I don't know what timeline am I supposed to be in terms of like fashion now. I'm looking at it like where are we supposed to be? What year is this? What decade is this? What era is this? I don't know if the fashion is saying much, but the vintage cars are definitely saying something, man. Let's go. It's a gang. Let's go. Many that took on you. Hey. Share mob activity. Let's go. Okay, I'm missing the story more. I want to catch the story. So is that Nokia 2310? I remember that phone though. Snake, is it? No, this phone didn't have Snake. This phone have Snake. Oh, Space Impact. Remember Space Impact, man. Oh, that's so nostalgic. Okay, Stanley the boys, let's go. I don't know what year we're in because I've seen different forms of technology. I've seen Nokia 2310, I've seen vintage cars, and I've seen like HD TV now. Like, where are we? What year? What era is this? Where are we? I beg. O'Shea. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Look into my wife, oh baby. O'Shea, they both have their own gang. Hey. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Be my wife, oh baby. O'Shea. RMD is the kingpin. My baby Jojo. All right. O'Shea. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Okay, okay, Nengi, let's go. Hey. Amina. Hey. What Amina? I love that he went to the north because I think he's speaking outside in some of the lyrics. Amina, Somana. Hey, I love that. I love that he actually tapped into the culture too, man. That's dope. Hey. Hey. But Amina. Hey. Omo. Cheers! Okay, like this is some. So okay, they're in someone's wedding now. I know, is it Davido's wedding? I'm confused. I think it's someone else's wedding. But nonetheless, I think this is an assassination is about to go down. Let's see if it's going to happen because Nengi is telling her to chill. I don't know why. Backstabber. Okay. Davido was the target. Okay. I'm confused. Okay, timeline wise, what are we working with? I'm confused. Oh, anyway, let's keep it. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Baby. Jojo, my baby Jojo. Oh, okay. This is sweet. This is dope. This is dope. So they were both gangsters. Obviously, we got that from the first. Now it's okay. It's coming full circle now. It's making sense. It's making sense because they were in the standoff in the beginning. So they were both targets for each other. Got you. And they started feeling themselves. My baby Jojo. This is dope. I like it. I like it. Jojo. My baby Jojo, my baby Jojo. She actually killed him, Sha.
Take it easy on the beat.
Oh, mad. They got a replacement basically. That's dope. I like the concept, sir. I'm not mad. Davido finish work. Hey. Nice. This is actually dope. So what did they do at the end? That was dope. That was dope. I'm not mad at it, man. I'm not mad. I was a bit confused in terms of like, okay, which era are they giving me? I was seeing vintage car. I was seeing the style, like he had Ray-Bans on. Like if they wanted to put me in, like say in a, like I don't know, like in the 60s or 70s, like that mob kind of scene, then yeah, put me there and show more details to make me like look like it's in that era, you know. But don't mind me, Sha. I'm being too picky with the details when it comes to this like era aesthetic or vintage aesthetic that they try to pull off. It was confusing, Sha, but but yeah, nonetheless. Definitely a beautiful video, beautiful visuals there. And of course, Nengi doing a thing, you know, Nengi being Nengi, RMD was there. It was interesting, Sha, nonetheless. It was definitely like, okay, Davido is making some intention in terms of like, I don't know, making a story out of the song. And I love that he went into that Hausa, like, cultural, like, setting when it comes to the wedding because he was making some... It was using some Hausa references in the song, so it made sense that he took the wedding into a Hausa wedding, and that was beautiful. That was dope, nonetheless. I'm not mad at it actually. I didn't know what to expect, but yeah, there was a story. It kind of makes sense. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, if you are new to this channel, definitely now at this point you gotta subscribe now. You gotta subscribe. This content is free, but help your boy, you know. Yeah, definitely subscribe to this channel, and I have a main channel where I have other music related content coming out. So yeah, here on this channel you're gonna see album reviews, you're gonna see reactions like this. So for sure, definitely keep it locked, okay? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.